Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to back up your Rediffmail emails safely to your computer. Backing up your Rediffmail emails gives you peace of mind. You'll have a local copy in case of accidental deletion, account issues, or when you want to switch your email provider. Plus, you can access your mail even when you're offline. There are two common ways to back up Rediffmail emails. One is a manual approach. The other uses export tools or dedicated backup software. For the manual method, open Outlook and go to File, Add Account. Enter your Rediffmail email and follow the setup instructions. After adding, restart Outlook. Go to File, Open and Export, Import Export. Select Export to a file, Outlook data file. Choose the folder and location, then click Finish. The manual method gives you control and doesn't need any extra tool, but it can be slow for large mailboxes and might offer only basic export formats. The second method uses a Rediffmail backup tool. Here are the steps. First, download the tool. Click Open, Email Accounts, Add Accounts. Now enter Rediffmail email login details. Go to Export and select desired format. Browse the desired location and save the files. That's it. Automated tools are faster, more secure, and ideal for users who want flexibility in choosing different file formats like PDF, Mbox, EML, HTML, and more. It also supports advanced options like date range filters to back up only emails from a specific period, selective folder backup, and even pause, resume. Especially useful when you have a lot of mail. Download the tool from the link given in the description box. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you back up your Rediffmail email successfully. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more email backup and tech tutorials.